Okay, so in this video, I want to share with you one of my favorite calendar and appointment booking software. This is one of the most popular calendar or appointment software out there. And they have a free plan, which is awesome if you're just starting out. So you don't need to pay for the higher levels of this software. So I want to quickly show you how to use this tool. So I'm just going to log in into my account. Now, what I love about this software is that you get a link. So I want to show you how it would look like. And this is just the link that you share into your social media, into your website, your email, and people would be able to see. And it is mobile friendly. It's very, very clean, very professional looking, and you can set up your time. So let's say you're only available at a certain amount of time and you want to book calls during this period. You can set it for like every 10 minutes or every 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you guys like. And this provides for a quick way to book a calendar or free consultation for you. And this also allows to set up a particular time so that you're reminding your potential client or customer to actually prepare for your call within a specified time frame. So you're not calling them at an awkward time wherein they might be busy, they might be having their dinner, and definitely don't want to disturb them. So this is really a great way to kind of get into the mindset of having a call, like a professional call. So you want to make sure that you set this up properly. I just want to show you how this works. Like, yeah, and then you'll enter your lead name, and then they'll enter their email, and then yeah, so you can change this if you're looking for a website, or if you're looking for, let's say, what they need. You can set up those events. So I want to create an event type. So I'm gonna create a free consultation or a booking calendar on my website. Usually it's a one-on-one call, and then I'll just add here free consultation or free quote, right? Or whatever, free quote, the location. I will call them, and then it will ask you, are you going to call the invitee, or the invitee should call your phone number? Usually you are the one who's going to call your invitee. Let's find a time to chat about your questions so that I could provide. So free code, and then you can change the color to whatever you like. Click next. Now you can invite schedule as long as 60 days. That's 2 months. I usually only allow for like 14 days or even less, because you don't want it to be too long, or else people might forget. So you definitely just want it to really be quick, especially if you're a local business. You want them to book a call within the next 3 days. 7 days is kind of really the longest that I would go. And then you want to book it based on, say, a 15-minute call, a 30 minutes call, depending on what you would need. Use existing schedule, or you can also set your custom hours. So let's say I only want to set it up for between, let's say, after work hours. Okay, so that's just one example here. And then I can only book up to maybe an hour. And then I can copy that, and then I can copy that through all the other dates. And then there you have it. So it will be the same. I'm only available on those calls, and then want to add time before or after event. So sometimes you will be double book, or you'll be in between calls, and then some of these calls would be longer than 15 minutes. So I'm going to add a little bit of buffer. So maybe a 15-minute buffer. And then check out the settings that you can add here. Now, date overrides is when you are on vacation, or let's say there's a holiday, they want to take a call. Let's say next week would be a February 14 would be a holiday or something like that. They don't want that to be included. So you can put those overrides for the days, and then click next. And then here is when you can invite more questions. So invitee questions, what do you ask? Ask for phone numbers. Now that's not important for me to say I don't want their, and then I could probably add for checkbox, type of service you're looking for. Okay, and then you want that to be required to say home cinema service. And then here you're looking for smart automation, TV mounting, adding for home security. And then you might want to just add something like other, so that if it doesn't fall into those categories, you have an option. And then click save and close. And then what you want to do here, you want to add, if you want to provide like email reminders, then this would be an upgrade. So it's up to you if you want to upgrade for that one. But for now, that will be okay. So this one would be your confirmation page once you book. Now, if you want to add your own confirmation page, you want it to go to our website, or want to go to Facebook or YouTube or whatever, you can redirect them once they once they book a call. But that would be a paid feature. So we'll leave that as default for now. And then we can check out the live page here. So free cold call. Okay, so we need to enable this first. So we have to activate it first. Click on turn on so that would be activated. Okay, so I think that makes sense now. I need to activate this. I need to delete this first, because I'm not using this anyway. Then I'm just going to activate this one. Yeah, so that has been activated. Now I have the link now, and I'll just open up an incognito window. My free cold call, and available this time. There it is. So I have my name, email, and then phone number, the type of service I'm looking for. And then once he accepts, schedule event, And that's it. So you want to use this one. You want to use Calendly for your booking because you can put it on a website. You can save the link and then just save that, and then people can book a call. It's really looks good, looks professional, looks great on mobile. If you have any questions about this video, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.